Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you on how to see your sent friend requests on Facebook app. But before we proceed, please like this video, subscribe, and follow for more future updates. And without further ado, let's start. First thing that you have to do is to open your Facebook application. When done, you have to click these three bars at the upper right corner of your screen. After that, you have to click See Your Profile. When you're in your profile already, you have to click these three dots here. You have to click Activity Log, then click Filters. After that, click Categories, then you have to click Connections. There are several information under Connection. You need to choose Receive Friend Request. And here you can see people who sent you friend request. And that's it. That's the process on how you can see people who sent you a friend request in your Facebook account. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it and see you to the next video.